Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply an e-visa for Democratic Republic of Chad, step by step full information. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, when it comes to apply e-visa to Chad, not everyone is required to go through this process. There are visa-free countries and there are country specific process, especially if you have an embassy or mission of Chad in your country. So first you need to check that, and then if you decide to apply for this e-visa, because even the validity is not long for this visa. So this is the process. Like you need to create your account, apply and pay the administrative fee, which is $50, and then they will analyze and give you a response within $72. I'm sorry. And then you need to proceed with the safe payment. I mean the payment of the visa fee, which is $250 if I'm not wrong. You can go to the FAQ and see. And once it is done, you can download the visa. So we'll go through the first step, create your account. So I'm going to fill this up and then I'm going to take you to the next step. Click on that link, verify. Like once you register, they send you a verification link to your email. Once you click on that, you reach this place. This is like you can select this was in French by default. I just use Google Translator, but you can change the language from here also. Okay. So, okay. Select the type of an ordinary flying visa, specific flying visa. Okay. Price of the visa fee, you see. Institution code, you don't have it. Okay. Date you select when you are coming. Let's say you're coming here. Passport number. This is just sample information, guys. This is not real. Validity. Let's say I'm just doing sample. Date of birth. Okay. Photo. I'll see if I can cross this page. Location, address. Email, phone number, reason for visit, and passport copy. Let me see if I can cross these steps and take you to the next step. To cross that page for applicant, now is the responsible page. So provide that details. You can see similar details have been asked. Application letter, copy of valid visa, and then and if you have any doubt, you can provide that information. So and then they have help links also, and then next is summary and then payment, where you can pay the admin fee first, and then if they approve your visa, then from there you can go for like final visa fee if they approve. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching.